Have you ever heard about Rua Do Benformoso in Lisbon, Portugal? No? Well, buckle up because this is a story worth knowing. Nestled in the heart of Lisbon, Rua do Benformoso is more than just a street. It's a vibrant tapestry, a living, breathing mosaic of cultures, colors, and cuisines. This unassuming urban artery pulsates with the rhythm of life, an embodiment of Lisbon's multicultural charm. Rua do Benformoso, translating to beautiful way, lives up to its name. It is a road less traveled, far from the maddening tourist crowds, yet brimming with authenticity and local flavor. This street, a hub of cultural exchange, has been a welcome home for immigrants over the years. From the Chinese community to the Africans, and more recently, the Bangladeshi, Rua do Benformoso pulsates with a delightful blend of traditions and customs. Every corner here tells a story. Every shop is a window into a world far away. The tantalizing aroma of exotic spices wafting from the mini-markets, the vibrant African fabrics fluttering in the breeze, the colorful array of Chinese lanterns adorning the shops all contribute to the street's unique allure. But what truly sets Rua do Benformoso apart is its community spirit. Despite the cultural differences, a sense of unity pervades the air. The people here share a camaraderie, a bond forged by their shared experiences and mutual respect for each other's cultures. It's a testament to Lisbon's inclusive spirit, a microcosm of the city's embrace of diversity. Rua do Benformoso is more than just a street. It's a testament to Lisbon's multicultural fabric, an ode to the city's inclusive spirit, and a beacon of cultural diversity. Far from the typical tourist trails, it offers an authentic glimpse into the heart of Lisbon, a peek into the city's soul. In summary, Rua do Benformoso, this beautiful way in Lisbon, is a celebration of multiculturalism. It's a vibrant tapestry of cultures, a living testament to the city's inclusive spirit, and a beacon of cultural diversity. A visit here promises an authentic experience, far removed from the typical tourist trails, offering a glimpse into the heart of Lisbon's soul. So next time you find yourself in Lisbon, make sure to wander down Rua do Benformoso. You'll be walking not just a street, but a beautiful way that encapsulates the true spirit of Lisbon. And that, dear listener, is the unique charm of Rua do Benformoso.